pozdrav, повторюваме нови соговорници во нашата музичка емисија Carpenter. Со нас тука се значи Зdenka, вокалистката на групата Stewart и гитаристот на групата Edge. Hi first.
Hello, how are you
Welcome
doing?
to my TV show.
Thanks for having me.
It's a fucking honor to be here. Thank you for doing this.
You have the interesting fresh melodic death metal. You're the young band. You have 2 albums. Very interesting. How the idea from this band?
Out at the beginning?
Yeah, how the beginnings.
Well, I've been into death metal since 1990, so I'm no stranger to the scene. I've been playing in bands since I was 15. I'm 30 now, so I've been playing for about 15 years. But our band formed because I grew up on a lot of heavy metal and thrash, but when I actually started playing, I was heavily into early 90s death metal. So as I got older, like the formation of this band, wanted to incorporate the thrash, heavy metal influence with like the old school heavy metal and kind of mix it together. And then the drummer and I, we played together since we were very young, and then we met Zdenka, and she had the same vision that we did. She's a great vocalist. We fit really well. We got along really well. So this band Estuary formed basically in 2002. And we did the demo. I've known McEntee from Incantation for a very long time. Gave him a copy, he liked it, then he saw us live, we opened for Incantation, asked if he wanted to do an album. So that's pretty much how it started.
Yeah, even the Estuary is a young band. We're like old schoolers, with the old spirit of death metal, and the old school thrash too. So.
Metal Queen is the great vocalist, and how will it be the woman in the world who has the man and who has the brutal and different strong and
For me, it's very normal, I don't know, most of my friends and influences in the death metal scene have always been men, So to me, it's completely normal. This is my world, This is I love my brothers and sisters too, but there's very few real metal girls out there. But I don't know. It's no different. I'm the only girl on the bus, and it's really cool. It's very normal.
Everybody respects it very much.
you have the new album, and it's very interesting. Just like 2 steps from another album, just the beat, and talk about the new album.
Like what's it about?
Yeah,
Musically or
the lyrics and etc.
Let's say
Well, we wrote lyrics together, collaborating, But
I kind of laid an outline out of how the album would follow. It's kind of conceptual. It doesn't have characters, but it basically follows a timeline of the creation of human beings. But I'm very much into extraterrestrials, aliens, stuff like that. So I incorporate a lot of that into it because
I think that was one of the connections we had when we first, met. Was it's very similar. Not really beliefs, but I guess just
ideas on where people came from. We don't follow like religious aspect. It's mostly we feel like my point of view is mankind was created as a worker race by some higher form of intelligence, and still behind the scenes of government, politics, and religion, these beings are still controlling humans because to them, human life is kind of like a battery. Like it's an energy source because life is energy, and our being here and our doing their will, us doing their will, is basically a source of power and energy for them to
For this tour, you have the great guitar is Jack Owen, who is playing bass How the idea from the contact of Jack Owen, because working on the kind of chords and DSI.
Yeah, no, it's a great honor for us to have him on the road with us, helping us out. I've known Jack for a long time. We've been really good friends, and jokingly, just as a joke, last year when we saw DSI, I just asked them, hey, we need some help, and he said okay, and it got more serious later on. But we've just been really, really good friends for many years. Cannibal Corpse is one of my first influences on the extreme death metal style.
Think a favorite Femi vocal for you?
Favorites, I guess more like influences for me have been like, Chris Barnes, of course like The Aside, Old at the Gates, Old Hypocrisy.
But for Femi vocals? From a girl, what you playing the vocals? Maybe Angel Gospel, what do you think for Angel Gospel or Archer?
I mean, there's, I'm not against her at all, there's just different, I think, levels of female vocal styles. I think the closest one I would maybe relate to a little more is probably Rachel from Vocal and Sinister,
But she's been doing vocals since '96, and
I like in
95, 96. She was in another band.
real bands, but trying to start with this vocal style is like 94, 93.
Before the beer from another band you were in, the name of the band is?
There were two bands. The first one was 40 Days Longing, and it was a doom metal band, doom death. And the next band I joined was Garden of Shadows, a very awesome band, really, really, really good friends of mine. And for me, that was awesome to be in this kind of band.
We playing death metal just like Narada, just like now.
They're like old Septic Flesh, kind of like the Greed, old Rotting Christ style, very melodic, very epic, death metal, very, very fucking awesome. Yeah, very, very.
They were really good. That's actually how we met, because I knew the band before I knew her. We tape traded, and I filled in as a session bassist for a while in that band before they got this band. But that's how we met. So they were a great band.
I get nice t-shirts.
Oh yeah.
Iron Maiden, huh?
Yeah,
Do you like it, Iron Maiden?
My favorite band of all time.
And I see you 5 times in life.
Oh wow, yeah, it's great.
You roots it's heavy metal, huh?
Yeah, I love that.
Just like Maiden, Judas,
Dio, Ozzy, all that stuff.
Oh, it's very nice.
Very much. Savage Grace, like old American bands that a lot of people know about. But, even Fates Warning, Jag Panther, Jag Panther, stuff like that. Yeah, very much.
Think who is the favorite group band? Who is the favorite?
Man, some of my favorites, I think, would be like Corner, Voivod.
Canadian.
Yeah, Forbidden.
Avant-garde, thrash,
Kind of stuff, so many, Sodom.
I have to say King Diamond, Merciful Fate.
Oh,
Yeah.
we like it, same music, music together. Fuck politics. Music is nice.
Yeah, fuck politics. Music is love.
Hey, we can't forget Death Angel,
Yeah. You're the first time here in Sedona.
Yeah, the first time. I hope one of many.